Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Friendster app is not installing. So, Friendster app not installing on your iPhone, here's to fix. So, first, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet. So, go to settings, scroll down and go to Wi-Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Next, go back to the main settings. Now in here, scroll down to general and go ahead and tap on iPhone storage. So check if you still have enough free space because the app won't install if your storage is full. Now after that, close settings and open App Store again and search for Friendster. So click the search bar and type in Friendster. So click on the second one. Now if the download button is stuck, try restarting your iPhone first. You should also check if your iOS version is updated. So go back to settings. Once you're on settings, open general and in here tap on software update and you'll see it in here if you need a new update. So just click on that to update your phone. If the app still won't install, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. So to do that, click your profile at the top or your name. Scroll down and tap on sign out and you'll be signed out of your Apple ID. Then reopen the App Store again and try downloading Friendster and see if that works. So usually one of those fixes solves the problem fast. Now, if it's okay or if everything is fine, just click on the download icon or the cloud icon to install Friendster app. And that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.